This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and lift up the floor panel. Remove the vehicle toolkit. Then undo the retainer and lift out the spare wheel. Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. The toolkit includes a tool for removing the plastic caps from the wheel bolts. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then rotate the handle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel.